Evolution. Evolution of man. Place of origin. According to the fossils, recovered humans originated in Central Asia, China, Java, and Shivalik hills of India. Dryopithecus africanus is one of the oldest fossil which has given rise to apes, and human fossil was discovered from Miocene rocks of Africa and Europe. It lived 20 to 25 million years ago. More ape-like with arms and legs of same length, semi-erect posture, large muzzle, large canines, ate soft fruits and leaves, no brow ridges, arboreal and knuckled walker. Ramapithecus evolved from Dryopithecus in late Miocene around 15 million years ago. Its fossil was found from the Shivalik hills of India by Edward Lewis. It lived during Pliocene epoch. More human-like ape, ate nuts and seeds. Kenyapithecus vickeri. This fossil was found in Pliocene rocks of Kenya, Africa by LSB Leakey. It resembled Rumpithecus. There is a gap of 9 to 10 million years after Ramapithecus, as no hominid fossil have been found so far. Australopithecus africanus. It was first ape man. Its fossil was discovered by Raymond Dart from Pliocene rocks of Thong in Africa. It was a 5 to 6 year old baby, had biped locomotion, omnivorous in diet but ate more fruits, had erect posture, teeth were human-like, brain was of an ape, brow ridges present over the eyes but no chin. Australopithecus afarensis Lucy. A complete skeleton of female human fossil was found by Donald Johnson. It was 3.2 million years old, 1.2 to 1.5 meter tall, walked erect, omnivorous, probably did not eat meat, cranial capacity 650 to 800. It was first tool maker and used chipped stone tools. Homo erectus, erect man, include 3 fossil Java ape man, Peking man and Heidelberg man. Java man fossil was discovered by Eugene Dubious from Pleistocene rock of central Java, Indonesia. Peking man fossil was found by W.C. Pai from limestone cave. Homo erectus evolved from Homo habilis, had erect posture, protruding jaws and brow ridges. Canines were smaller, larger their teeth, probably ate meat, omnivorous. Cranial capacity was 900 cc, hunted big animals with tools of stone and bones. Height 1.5 to 1.8 meter up to 6 feet. Used fire for hunting, defense and cooking. Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens neanderthalensis. Fossil was discovered by C. Fuhlrott from Neanderthal Valley in Germany. Slightly prognathes face, walked upright, low eyebrow ridges. Cranial capacity was 1400 cc. Lived in East and Central Asia around 1 lakh to 40,000 years back. Cave dwellers, skilled hunters and true predators, buried their young with flowers and tools, might knew some religion, became extinct 40,000 years ago. Neanderthal species did not give rise to modern man.